You know, a lot of the reasons that customers choose Regence, customers like Winco, AgriBeef, Aid Accounting, and others like Idaho Power, is really because of our people. Hi, I'm Sean Robbins. I'm the president of Regence Blue Shield of Idaho. Both Norco and Regence have a shared commitment to the communities in which we live and work and play. We take those commitments seriously and are proud of the history that we have and honor the commitment that you've made as an organization as well to serving the state of Idaho. Well, Regence has a commitment, a real burning passion to not be just a blue plan from the 20th century, but to be a transformative healthcare experience for people and their families. But what does that really mean? Those are big words, but what does it mean in the day-to-day? Number one, it means people. And by people, I mean serving each other, serving our customers as if they were our own family, our own brothers, our sisters, neighbors, and friends. How would we want to be treated in the healthcare journey? We want our customers to feel the exact same way as we would treat those that we love. That's our first commitment. Our second commitment, to innovation and technology. We live in an incredibly data-rich world. We have access to some of the most advanced computing technology, and still blue plans and health plans across the country are often antiquated in how they approach it, approaching as if it was 1950, not the year 2020. Our organization, because of our affiliation and partnership with Cambia Health Solutions, has access to some of the most cutting-edge healthcare technology that enables consumers to access care on their terms in their way through a new platform called Journey, a totally holistic consumer engagement platform that integrates with the health plan in order to change who's really in the driver's seat with their health care. And who should be in the driver's seat? It should be the individual, not the institutions that are supposed to be serving those people. And finally, number three, what does it mean? Scale. Operating in this world these days in healthcare, scale matters. And our affiliation with Cambia Health Solutions gives us access to 4 states, Idaho, Utah, Washington, and Oregon, that a single state health plan can't compete with, both in terms of cost, but also the access to the capital, the talent, and that technology I referenced in order to change and bend the curve, not just on cost, but on the consumer's healthcare experience. Those are the reasons, people, innovation, and scale, why Regence is different than any other health plan in the state of Idaho.
Hello, I'm Amy Kahn. I serve as Executive Medical Director of Regence Blue Shield of Idaho. I'm excited to share with you today some of the unique ways in which we address population health here at Regence. First and foremost, we've embraced the quadruple aim. Simply, that is better care for individuals, better overall population health, reducing waste or inefficiencies in the healthcare, and lastly, supporting our value-based contracted providers, clinicians who serve as primary care specialists or hospital-based providers to assure high-value care is delivered in a way that's synergistic with many of the other programs that we offer. I'd also like to share some of how we make a difference in the people we serve. We embrace a richer care management approach that through a number of triggering events and predictive modeling are able to proactively identify individuals in the population sooner so that we can keep them on track to prevent complications or help them manage through complex care needs. This program offers regularly in-depth reporting to you as the employer, but also drives a significant return on investment and a higher level of member engagement who meets one-on-one with our nurses, over 3-fold what the basic care management programs with other carriers traditionally deliver. I'm also pleased to say that all of our clinical solutions are designed with your member, your employee in the center. So through the synergy and integration of our solutions, we're able to deliver better results.
You heard earlier from our plan president about the importance of our people serving your people, our innovation and our scalability. An underlying factor amongst that will hit all of those and that we know is of most importance to you, along with each of those 3 factors, is cost controls. What I'm proud to say is that every large company that have chosen Regence Blue Shield of Idaho in the past 10 years has resulted in a per member, per month savings. Much of that savings over their previous experience has been built around the topic of payment integrity. Payment integrity, it's essentially paying your bills accurately. And that might sound like something that any carrier should be able to do, any claims administrator, someone processing your claims on your company's behalf should be able to do. We simply do it better than most in the entire country, resulting in that $10 per member per month savings above what the rest of the market would bring in savings to you.
One of the things our employees do at Regence is take care of the communities. We're involved, we're active, we are your neighbor. We've been rooted here since 1946. So lots of our people are embedded inside the communities and nonprofits, working side by side with folks in your organization. And the community engagement and involvement, the foundation commitments that you've made, we're right alongside you as a partner.
Let me give you an example of how we're working on your behalf every day to change the way employers and members experience health care. Most of your people receive care at St. Luke's. What we've done is we've met with them and we've said, increasing costs in health care are unsustainable. How can we do this differently? The way we're doing that differently is we're all sitting down at the table together. St. Luke's doctors, our team, and your team or your consultants, all collaborating together to change the way we've paid for health care historically, to flip this from a fee-for-service arrangement, how many people can I see, how much money can we run through the system, to setting a dollar amount with you and then guaranteeing that you receive the care that you need to care for your people at a set dollar amount.
Within Regence, our approach is unique in driving a much higher level of engagement and a much stronger relationship with our contracted providers, particularly primary care and specialists through episodes of care programs or centers of excellence, so that again, your employees and their families are getting the best care available, the right time, at the right price.
Making a decision like this, as you've heard from our plan president and myself and Dr. Khan, is one that is concerning to your family members. We know that's a big one. It's also a big business decision. It's a big decision to think about moving to a different claims administrator, a different carrier, a different network. We want you to know that you're moving to the best one. We want you to know that we recognize that making this type of a decision is a challenging one. We do it well. We do it so well that we have guaranteed a smooth transition for over 165 self-insured employers like yourself. In the state of Idaho, we've guaranteed that transition to be seamless with 100% accuracy. We have a team of specialists ready to welcome Norco into the family.
Without a doubt, you've heard a lot of promises made by all the health plans that are interested in earning your business, ourselves included. One promise that we make and that our customers reward us for by being loyal year after year is the personal and professional commitment that I personally make as president of Regence Blue Shield of Idaho and our entire leadership team to sit at the table side by side with you throughout the year to ensure your success not just as a healthcare partner, but as a total partner to your business's success in the years to come. We're rooted in Idaho just like you are, and we want to see you succeed as a business going long into the future. Welcome to Regence.